Hi everybody, welcome to the Explorer Guide. So this time we have come to rainforest in Karnataka called Kuduremukha, and we are in a place called Forested India run by Dhiraj. So he is trying to drive the idea of rainforest restoration through camps, and this is not a resort. This is more of a campsite where you are going to learn about rainforest, the habitat. You will also be learning about the reptiles and a lot of amphibians and insects, of course. So if you want to learn and understand why we need to restore our rainforest, this is a perfect place for you. Dhiraj has been working with the Agumbe Rainforest Research Center. So he is quite learned about the species, the area, the habitat. So he knows what he is doing. And in case you want to learn more about wildlife and restore habitat, help restore, please come here, learn about it, and do your part of conservation. Thank you.